Hi friends, good evening. Today 9th February, 9:20 p.m. Hope you all are enjoying the good rally from the bottom around 17,026 to 17,450 level, and from Bank Nifty from 37,474 to 38,500. So our one number magic actually did the magic. So Bank Nifty gave roughly around 1,200 points, and Nifty has roughly given roughly around 350 points. Okay, so first we will go to the PPT and see what I wrote yesterday and how the market behaved today. Okay. Oh, sorry, this is January PPT. Okay, so this was for just a minute. Yeah, this is actually I wrote for yesterday. So the simple GAN is because it's hammer pattern. So break above yesterday's high. It's a thumbs up, and today it was a gap up, and the market was first 4 hours it was working only on the first 1 hour high and low, and after that our Astro time took the exact bottom, and from there it went up and closed well above 17,424, which is this number, and Bank Nifty is above 38,400. Okay, so till it holds 17,424, I'm talking about Nifty spot, and 38,400 in Bank Nifty, we don't need to worry about Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Okay, so now coming to targets, so above 17,264, these two targets are already done, and above 38,278, the first target is done. Let's see whether he's going to do the second important number, which is 38,809, will be achieved tomorrow. Okay, the video which I put yesterday when Nifty was around 17,026, it actually did the magic, and pitchfork exactly it got the bottom here. So this was the pitchfork last line, took the exact support, went up, and now it is inside the cloud. Now it is inside the cloud. Actually, I was expecting this timing, 11th February, 1:15 p.m. Anything may happen at this time. Okay, when Ishimoku converges. Okay, let's talk about that tomorrow. So it is in the inside the cloud, and the first target is 17,576. Break above that 17,689 for tomorrow. This I already mentioned in my PPT for tomorrow's trade, and we went long here on the futures front, and then it did the magic. And for Bank Nifty, exactly it took the support from the weekly last target, which is 37,434 here, 37,434, and today it is here and closed well above 38,416. So we don't need to worry about Nifty and Bank Nifty per se, and enjoy the trend till it lasts. Okay, so coming to one number magic. So you all know what is one number magic. I'll show that to you. Okay, so this for February, that one number magic starts from the expiry started. Okay, so if I go back and start from here, the one number magic will start from the new expiry. This is the one number magic, 17,174 and 37,474. Exactly, Bank Nifty futures took the support here only. Okay, this number is valid for the whole month. It won't change. It won't change. So whenever it comes here, we need to take a call with a very small stop loss, and then we can write the trend. And for Bank Nifty, sorry, for Nifty, it is 17,174. And I made the video on this on 28th January itself, and I posted in my Twitter handle as well as in LinkedIn. Okay, so you can go and watch that. So coming to tomorrow. Tomorrow is very special. Why? Because first is weekly expiry, number one, and there are a lot of call rating happened at 17,500 level. See, whenever my future number converge, it means two numbers come to very near, very close to the number, then it will be explosion. It will be explosion. For example, let's say For Nifty futures, these two are the numbers, 17,425 and 17,407. Till it holds these two numbers, and these two numbers are very near, not even 15-20 points. Okay, it means it is going to bust one side, and this will happen within 2 days. It may, because it's a weekly expiry, anything may happen. Okay, after 30 minutes high and low, but till it holds this level, it is going to bust one side. And coming to Bank Nifty, the two numbers are 38,543 and 38,560. Again, another 17 points difference. So if this happens till it holds this low, which is 38,543, 38,543 and 17,407, you don't need to worry about Nifty future. It will definitely bust one side. But tomorrow is weekly expiry, and it actually belongs to the big guys. So let's see how they operate. But anyway, if it holds these two numbers, you will see a big move tomorrow or day after. Whenever this happens in the last 2 years, every month normally I get one converge number. If that happens, most probably next day 250 points in Nifty, and Bank Nifty roughly around 750 points. So today both the numbers are converged. So you will be going to see explosion tomorrow or day after. And if it breaks below 17,407, you need to be very, very cautious. It will drift down drastically on the downside. And for example, and when it goes to Bank Nifty, 38,543 is the lowest number. If it breaks this low and holds below this number for 15 minutes, it will drift even 1,000 points from there. So you need to be very, very careful when the number converges. Either side, either side, it will give a big move. Watch out. And I've already mentioned everything about Nifty futures, resistance number, support number, everything is here. And tomorrow, today, Indian Bank had a trend change rate, and it is not able to go above first 15 minutes high, and then it drift down, and then it closed below. And coming to tomorrow, there are two companies. One is Astral, and second is my favorite, Axis Bank. Okay, watch out for this counter. Same thumb rule, which I've already talked yesterday. Please apply that in intraday. If it is positional also, I've already explained in yesterday's video, which is morning breakfast for 9th February. Kindly go back and watch that video, how to trade the trend change rate on intraday as well as on positional. So tomorrow, Astral and Axis Bank, and from 12th, we are having big guys coming out for trend change date. So let's see what is going to happen on 12th. 12th is one second. So 12th is Saturday. So obviously you'll be seeing the miracle on 15th, and 15th is the big trend change, the second big trend change date for Nifty. Okay, so I've already mentioned here, the first big date is these two combination date. That's why we have seen a big fall after this combination happened. And now the next date is coming on 15th, which is Monday. Let's see what happens, because we are having so many stocks on that day for trend change date. Maybe if you want, I will show that to you now. One second. Okay, so these are the dates which is these are the scripts which is going to have a major date on 12th. So 11th is sale. Again, this is on Friday. So we'll watch sale, because this guy is not moved, and rest of the metal stocks moved already. Only this guy is facing some resistance around 105 level. So we'll definitely watch this. But this number, and that too, it is happening on blue color, simply mark the high and low of 11th in sale. Whenever it crosses that 11th, I simply buy with the stop loss of 11th low. And my first, the big guy, Adani Port is having that trend change date on 12th, and you are going to see a lot of counters are having their trend change date on 12th, right? And all our big bays like SBI, Tech Mahindra, NMDC, Nalco, Kotak Bank, Jindal Steel, all these big guys. So watch out for 12th, and 12th is holiday, so obviously we need to go and watch on 15th, and 15th is a trend change date for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Watch out. Okay, so I'll close this. Let's go to the important thing which I want to share with you. So hope you all remember this PPT which I mentioned on January 14th. Okay, so I mentioned that important date for metal index is January 14th, and that stock to watch out is because only these 4 companies had the trend change date on 14th, not all. Okay, so I've clearly mentioned the 14th high, 14th low, and I've updated the closing price on 17th also. And today Nifty metal closed above 14th high. Number one, Hindalco, obviously it's already there above 509, and Nalco yesterday it came and touched 115, and today it is 124, and VEDL from 143, and today it went to 176. There was some announcement yesterday, but today it's a clear breakout on the upside in my system. So only one company is not able to break is Mr. Tata Steel. Let's see what he's going to do. We will go to the chart and we will see how it is looking in chart. I've already covered Tata Steel in my metal index video, where I covered only the index, metal index. Okay, so you can go and watch that video. And today it was tried actually to close above the trend line, but it closed below, and the 14th high was 1226 and the 14th low was 1206. Once it crosses and closes at least for 1 hour, you can simply buy this counter with a stop loss of 1206. Okay, only this guy is not crossed and closed above 14th high. If you take metal index, it closed above 14th high. This was the 14th high, which is 5902. It closed today and it has broken my system thing also, but it is in red. Actually, it is not in red. It's not a genuine sell, the down. So it is still in green only. I will see it as a green only because it gave a sell here, but the condition is the next candle has to close below this candle. Then only it's a genuine sell. Otherwise, it is sending all the weak players out. So that is why it has given a sell, and after that it moved, and exactly it came down, took the support at the pitchfork bottom. This was the pitchfork bottom, this blue color line. Okay, this blue color line is the pitchfork bottom. So this blue color line was the pitchfork bottom, and from there it is moved, and today it has crossed the pitchfork median line also. Yesterday, a day before, it tried but unable to succeed, and yesterday it closed above this pitchfork median line, and today you saw a good move in metal index of roughly around 2%. So metal index looking very good, and the date is 11th and 14th. So we will watch whether it is these 2 dates are going to put a cap on metal index, or it is going to give a thumbs up to metal index to go and achieve our 20% move till June 2022. Okay, so we will take a call on this. As of now, looks very good. Metals are looking very good. This is what I mentioned in my starting video of February. I mentioned that whether metals is going to rock in the month of February. And yesterday I made one comment saying that Tata groups are falling. Will Adani is going to roar, because Adani ports I've already covered in a separate video. Kindly go and watch that video because it's a combination date which is very, very powerful. And today, as expected, Adani and Adani Enterprises did very well today. Adani went up by 4% and Adani port went up by 2%. And Adani port is having the major date this month. So anything is possible. I was expecting 683 level, but it was yesterday. It was somewhere around 712, but today it did very well. And yesterday I talked about Balakrishna because it had a TCD date, and exactly from the bottom it started moving. I'll show you the Balakrishna. So this was my system design. So exactly it captured here, went up, came down, and today it was up by roughly around 2%. So till it holds yesterday's low, because yesterday's low was the important trend change date for Balakrishna, and the trend just changed exactly from my system design. So till it holds eighth low, and that too is a blue color trend change rate, which is very powerful. So till it holds this low or 2203, which is my system number, you don't need to worry about Balakrishna Industries, and you can write the trend, use your technical parameters to use it, and hope the LinkedIn followers are very happy using my Excel sheet Nifty future entry and exit level, and most probably every day we are catching roughly around 100 points. Today also we captured roughly around 90 points after the market open. So good, people, those who are using it, kindly use it. If you want any clarification or how to trade that Excel sheet, kindly let me know. I'll be posting exactly at 9:28 in the morning. After that, you can use that Excel sheet. Thanks for watching this video. I think I covered mostly. Let's watch whether it's going to be a thumbs up morning tomorrow or below my future number convergence. Let's see whether it is going to give a trending move on the downside. But as of now, we are already up 300 points from my game changer number, which is one magic number, and in Bank Nifty we are already sitting at 1,200 rupees points profit. Let's see whether we are going to have something better. But again I'm telling, if this rally goes on the upper side, wait for 21st and 22nd. Trend may change drastically. Let's watch. We will capture that downside move also in case if that happens. But if it breaches 21st and 22nd high and closes above that, then short players need to be very, very cautious. It will be a big move on the upside. Let's watch whether that date and my number matches, roughly around 17,777, or maybe on the higher level. Let's watch it out. I'll definitely put a video on that. Thanks for watching this video. Yesterday I got one query, so I clarified it. In case if you have today, I got one more query on IRCTC because the date is coming on 14th. Just a minute, I'll check. Because this guy was given a good result, but it is not able to move. So I'll be definitely covering this guy. It is actually trading in a range, not going anywhere. So watch out. 14th February will be a game changer day for IRCTC. But this is a minor date. Normally, the minor date I mark it in green color. The big date is 18th May. Watch this date, 18th May. Mark it in your calendar. Okay. So thanks for watching this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework before investing in any stock, mutual funds, cryptos, Dow Jones, and all that. So consult your financial advisor before investing in anything. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please comment it. If you like it, at least put a like. Okay. Thanks a lot. Bye.